che o foi a mkele lo fa
ci fa mo le fa magalo mo ya a o te alu ke lo foi a oe
o fio lo amio pa ko foi al makwai e ai o maka o fio ya o
DJ Capo.
You buy a bottle, I buy the bar. I make every other week feel like Mardi Gras. When I get into it, I get into it. Everybody can't do it the way I do it. I make it rain, then the sun come out. A nigga plain, we make the guns come out now. My question is, who they gon' blame when I'm at #1 on that Billboard again?
DJ
Capo.
About you all that time, see your face every time I close my eyes. Talk about it, tell me what I gotta do. Tell me how can I make it up to you? If I'm alone, if I ain't got time, but I'm sure you're the love of my life. I don't wanna lose you, baby girl, I need you. I don't wanna see you cry till the end, I need you. All I want is you by my side when I'm feeling down. I don't want anyone else except you. I don't wanna lose you, baby girl, I need you. I don't wanna see you cry till the end, I need you. All I want is you by my side when I'm feeling down. I don't want anyone else except you. I don't wanna
I won't get to know you better. You look good in them jeans and the rest of them. We got a Billy Cool booty, baby. I wanna drive. See and tell you what your mileage is when I'm inside. I wanna take you for a spin, you know, round and round. Switch gears till your love come down. I take you to the point and overturn. If you listen, you learn. Just how a nigga earn. I got money to burn. Why they get big place, you drop the bomb on me. It's up and down gracefully. Rick James would've said she a break house. A bitch used to go on and see what that bitch about. I find out she like it, I like it, huh? Back it up, get you some. I know how to get you sprung, tune you up, use your tongue. Under the hood, it's so good. She said so good. Goddamn, I'm so hood. Nigga, what up?
DJ Coolhouse Remix.
Heat in the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled, dope being sold, Snoopy in the hoopty, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20.
You know what you need. True love is what I mean.